Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to automate Instagram DM. The automation feature lets you send personalized messages to users who comment on your post without needing to do it manually. First, we have a template you can customize. The first step is the trigger, which activates when a user comments on your post. You have three options: a general message for all posts, the next post, or a specific post. For example, if you are promoting something, you might want every follower who comments to get a reply message with a link. You can also choose to reply to all comments or only those with specific keywords. Additionally, you can set up public auto response to reply to comments on your post in the feed. You can create multiple replies to make it more natural. Once you are set with a trigger, click continue. Now let us look at the reply message. When you send it, make sure it is labeled appropriately. Instagram only allows text buttons or quick replies in the first reply message. You can personalize the message using variables like the first name. If you want customers to visit your website, change the link in the button settings. Next, you can choose if you would like to set up a public reply in the feed. You can add random multiple replies. Once done, customize the replay that you want to send in DM. After setting up your automation, click Set Live to activate it. Now your followers will receive an automated response when they comment. Encourage users to comment to engage with your flow. To pause automation, turn off the trigger. You can check engagement details in the automation tab. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.